Okay guys, with this video I will show you how you can make 100 even more, $100 even more with Maxbounty using my secret method. With this video I will show you how to choose your product and how to promote your product. I will show you a very target traffic that you can use to promote your offers. Very important to get real and very target traffic if you want to get unlimited leads with Maxbounty. So with this method, with this video, I will show you how you can get unlimited very target traffic to your CPA offers and get conversion daily. Okay, so let's start. First, this is like you know Maxbounty. If you don't have a account with the Maxbounty, you can make one for free. After you make your Maxbounty account and get approved, you have here search campaign. So go search campaign, and you will get this page with unlimited offers here that you can promote. Okay, so how this work? Let's go click here search option, and let's go to United States, USA, and let's go to dating and type here in the top Facebook. Okay, Facebook, yes, right, Facebook, and click search. We will get one offer here, only one offer. Let's visit this offer. Okay, so for every lead we will get $5.20. Okay, let's see. Okay, Facebook ads, like you see here. This is very important, and the reason we need a quick take action from the people who's watching our landing page. Okay, so let's visit our landing page. This is our landing page, and we can see connect with Facebook. Okay, this is a quick connect. So every connect we will get, every sign up we will get over $5, okay, to our account. So this is very important, and if we have this app, this Facebook app on our landing page, we will get a quick results and a quick sign-ups. Okay, now this is our offer. Let's go to the end of this page and take our affiliate link. Okay, so here you can see contextual. Then we will get in the description contextual, get tracking code. Okay, this is our tracking code. Let's copy, and we can close this window. Okay, now I will show you my secret traffic that I am using a long time. to promote my CPA offers. I am using this traffic only for adult traffic, okay? Maybe this traffic is good for dating, but very important to use this traffic to promote adult traffic. And this is traffic. I am sure you will like it, okay? After you will see your results, I am sure you will like this traffic. Okay, so what is the traffic source that we will use? Go to Google and type, sorry for this, okay, and type in Google traffic cache list and log in to traffic cache list. You will get this page, but on this video we will use, you can see here, adult traffic, okay? When you sign up traffic cache list, you will find here in the left adult traffic. So let's visit adult traffic and we will get this page, okay? If you don't have an account on this website, you can make a free account and then you can go here in the top, create campaign. Okay, now remember, our product, our offer is target Canada and USA, okay? Canada and USA. We can use both and we can use one of them, okay? So let's back to our traffic source. You can see here United States, okay? So for this is a CPM traffic. So for every 1,000 visitors, we will pay $2. So let's say 1,000, 1K. Let's go to the end. We will pay $2. Okay. So for every 1,000, we will pay $2. Let's back. Let's found Canada. Wait. Okay, Canada. Okay. More cheap from USA, like you see. So for every 1,000 visitors, we will pay $1.20. Okay, we can use both and we can use one of them. So if you want to use only Canada, you can go here and type, let's say 10,000. We will pay $20. This is very nice. $20 for 10,000. Okay, this is only adult traffic. Okay, so let's click here to enter your campaign. So remember, we need our link. Let's take it one more time and put here. Okay, you can type your 20. This is the campaign name. Okay, this is the URL. You can choose how many daily budget you want to invest on this campaign, and you can leave this. Okay, source, traffic source, desktop or mobile. Okay, leave everything and go click here PayPal. You have to agree the terms of use and then click buy campaign. Okay, this is the video, this is the method, my friend, that you can use to promote your Maxbounty CPI offers and get conversion daily. This is for a newbie, everyone can use it. This is the best traffic for adult traffic. Okay, very important. This is only for adult traffic, and you can use it. And I hope you will succeed like I did. Thank you again for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.